Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic taillight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, open your trunk to gain easy access to the tail light assembly from the inside. This simple preparation makes the entire process smooth and straightforward. Now let's access the tail light. Inside your trunk, you will find the back of the tail light assembly. Look for the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws that secure it in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver or a small socket wrench, carefully unscrew these fasteners. Once they are loose, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle's body. It should slide out with minimal effort. With the tail light assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. You will see several bulb sockets. Identify the one for the tail light. Twist the chosen bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new replacement bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Almost done. Now, twist the bulb socket clockwise back into the tail light assembly until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its opening on the vehicle and gently push it back into its original position. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it is functioning properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.